Hey, this is Hans.
This is Kit.
And this is the chocolate.
Right.
Oh, you knew that going in.
I know.
I'm kind of an eccentric, you know, with all the times that you caught me trying to bite at my ear and all those times when...
But I've trained you not to do that.
I know. All the light bulbs and the calculators I had.
Well, let's have some chocolate.
Yeah, let's have some chocolate. Oh, what do we have here?
I'm not sure. What is it?
I can't tell.
Villa Cuyacaya.
Cuyacaya?
Esmeraldas, Ecuador.
I don't know what that is.
Organic dark chocolate masala chai.
Ooh, open it up. Let's eat that. This is another one from the...
Manufactured in Ecuador.
Yeah, we met the folks that make this stuff at the Northwest Chocolate Festival.
Holy cow. Okay, well first you gotta look at it this way.
Okay.
Okay, but then...
That just reeks of masala.
Check that out.
Wow. I have a feeling I'm gonna love this and you're gonna absolutely abhor it.
I don't know. Guess we'll find out.
Chai masala. Oh, gee, God. Hi. Hey. Yeah, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. What?
Very strong.
Yeah, this is pungent. I'm stoked. Let's hit it.
It's like eating tree bark at the end.
Oh.
It's really gritty.
It is. Masala is like a whole bunch of different spices and stuff in a mortar and pestle that's all ground up.
It's definitely
Indian
why. I mean, yeah, look
That's
at it. You can
impressive.
see, like...
There's a lot of business going on there.
It's interesting.
How much? What's the cacao level on that?
80.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's pretty bitter and it's very dry. I mean, it's just like
yeah, it's
that thing is not
definitely dry.
snapping. That's a good chocolate. I really like that.
I like the chai.
Yeah,
The masala is not overpowering.
it's neat because it's so much of a scent. I'm gonna give that a 4.5. I find that fascinating.
I'm going to go with a 3.5.
All right. Raffio?
Raffio chocolate, 72%. Clementine olive oil chocolate. Enzo Olive Oil Company.
There's a story on the back.
Inspired by my sons, Raphael and Rio. Raffio. I get it. Chocolate is made from scratch using only organic and natural ingredients. I hand select the cacao beans to maximize the quality, taste, and health benefits. Not candy, just healthy. My mission is to make and sell only what I prefer feeding my own children.
I'm down with that.
Gluten-free, vegan, no GMO, no soy, no peanuts, no preservatives. Fresno, California.
That's south of here. I really like the look of that.
3D. Jesus Christ. Way to demolish it. It was so beautiful.
It will be in our mouths and then in our bowels. I'll try this piece.
Okay. You try
Whoa.
that piece.
I'll try this piece. Big fat chocolate. Where's that? Go. I like that.
I do not.
No? Why?
I don't know.
What's wrong with you? What I like about it is that the orange that carries on it isn't that
Fake orange
fake
liqueur.
and ultra tart. This has a nice freshness.
Bitter, though.
I think that's the chocolate. I'm not getting the
Either
bitterness.
way.
It just kind of floats around the palate really nicely. I'm giving that a 5.
1.
1. Okay.
We have this neat one here.
Mirzam?
Mirzam chocolate makers from Dubai.
Yeah.
45% milk chocolate. And all of their different ones had Nido designs on it.
They did.
So it says the collection was inspired by the UAE's rich cultural landscape that has given the country a unique identity. The artwork was created by remixing local iconography and interwoven patterns drawn from textiles,
Wow.
Islamic art, and nature, thus emphasizing elements of heritage and contemporary culture in new, innovative ways.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And it's chocolate.
And it's chocolate.
It's so bumpy.
It's bumpy on the bottom.
Ooh. Oh, there's stuff in there.
Yeah, it's kind of sticky.
Wasn't it? I thought it was like a honey one. Oh my. Cheers.
Cheers.
What is that?
Contains puffed quinoa caramelized with date syrup.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
That's freaking delightful.
Yeah. That's a 5.
That's an easy 5. That was delicious.
Way to go. That's so unique.
Mm-hmm.
And the whole dates in it are very, very regional.
But it's such a nice, like, delicate sweet flavor, too.
Mm-hmm.
It's not overpowering.
But it's there. It's not like playing around. It's like, hey, I'm here.
And the quinoa puff kind of gives it a nice texture.
Mm-hmm.
And the syrup kind of adds the chew to it, too. It's really good.
It's a fascinating balance. We haven't come across anything like that before. What do you score that?
5.
2 5s on that.
Delightful.
Right on.
Yes, if you can find it, get it.
Yeah. And I'll have links and stuff, of course, in the post on www.chocolatebreak.com. If you haven't gone to thechocolatebreak.com yet, why not?
What are you waiting for?
Go on your Google machine, type in the chocolate break. That's all you gotta do.
Yep.
Do a click, click, clicky, click, click. You'll get there.
Yep. Well, till next time.
Till next time, this has been Hans.
And this has been Kit.
Wishing you enjoyment of your pancreas, liver, and colon.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.